Welcome back everybody to another Halloween product review. Today we're going to be taking a look at another inflatable. This is a 8-foot ghost archway. It's basically a black archway. It's got 3 ghosts and a spider, and it lights up. I'm trying to do that description from memory because, as you can see, the box gives no information. But I did purchase this from Amazon. Clearly it is a Chinese knockoff sort of inflatable from a company called BZB, I believe. So I've been buying a lot of Chinese inflatables this year. Be sure to check out my other videos to see those, but hopefully this will be right in line with them with my ghost theme. So let's go ahead and take this outside. We'll plug it in and see if I got lucky. All right, the reviews on this online were pretty good. I mean, it didn't have a whole lot of reviews, but most of them were 5 stars. So I'm already a little impressed that it comes in a plastic bag inside. It seems like some of the Chinese inflatables that I've gotten in the past don't. So that's a promising sign. I think the one negative review that I saw was that it needs help standing up. Okay, I'm not going to be able to get this open. I'm going to ruin the plastic bag. Because the fan might be a little undersized. So let's go ahead and find out if that is the case. Sort of unroll it a little bit here. Comes with some instructions and some stakes and some black cord. Which, offhand, it does feel like it's pretty heavy. It's got at least 2 weights in the bottom of this side. I imagine it's probably the same in the other side. The plug is on my right, so let's go ahead and plug it in. All right. Usually it takes a moment for it to start, so that's normal. I'm just gonna pull it back a little bit. Let's watch it inflate. Now, it looks like the fan is very small. It's got a tiny cutout here on the side to let the air flow through. At least it's not on the bottom. It's on the back of the column, so that's good. But as you can see, it's taken a bit of time to inflate, so offhand, I'm guessing that comment about it being a little underpowered is probably correct. Give it a little more time. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a moment to make sure that air is, completely full in there. And just kind of tilt it back a little bit so it doesn't fall forward on me. My driveway's a little sloped, but offhand, it looks good. All right, so the ties are about, my shoulder height. So that's good. I can't imagine this really needs that much help to stand up. It seems pretty sturdy, but it doesn't really sit flat. Maybe we can get it to balance just a little bit there. Okay, so height-wise, I'm going to have to bend down a little bit, but, I'm taller than average, so looks like it might be 6 foot to the bottom of that. But we've got 3 ghosts, a spider, they all light up. I don't see lights otherwise within the column, but it looks pretty cute. Let's go ahead and pull the camera in and take a closer look. All right, so what do you think? I really like how the ghost tails wrap around the column. I think that's pretty cute, but that's going to cause a little bit of a problem for me, and if you're thinking about this, you might want to be aware as well, because I'm actually going to be using it up against a wall to use as a doorway to go through something. So if you're going to be like, you know, putting it around your front door or something, it might not be flush, especially also you've got the bases of the columns that kind of you know, stick out a few inches. That could cause you a little bit of problems. And there's not a whole lot of you know, material that hangs down from it to kind of shield what's behind it. So, you know, if you want to have a little bit of darkness beyond, this is not going to allow for that, which again might be a little bit of a problem for me, but perhaps, you know, you could hang some additional material behind it, maybe some creepy cloth or something, just to block the light a little bit more. So I think it's workable, you know, for $100, which is what I paid for it. It's not bad for an inflatable. And if you're interested in this one, again, check the link below in the description where you can purchase one for yourself through my Amazon store. But that'll do it for today, I guess. Well, before we go, let's go ahead and unplug it and see how fast it deflates. All right, I want to see really first, there is a zipper on the bottom of this column. Doesn't look like there's one in the middle, which might be a little bit of an issue. Well, if you have to change some light bulbs, and this zipper actually keeps catching on itself. So there's one there. There is another zipper on the other leg. So that'll make it deflate faster. For easy storage. So again, let me know what you think in the comments below, and that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Happy haunting.